Okay, guys, so I am going to go over lesson 17's exit ticket about labeling fractions on a number line, which I know has been a struggle for you guys. I think this will help. I found a whiteboard online, and I'll send the link to your parents so that you guys can do this too. But we are trying to put 7/3, 4/3, and 2/3 and place it on this number line. So I have recreated it. So we know that all of these fractions are thirds, right? Like, let's ignore those numbers at the top. We're dealing with thirds. So that would mean that it's broken up into thirds. Between 0 and 1, right, there should be 3 sections. This would be 1/3, 2/3, and then what would 1 be? If you have a whole, you have 3 thirds. That is the whole, right? There's 3 parts in all, right? So then that would be a whole. Then we have more thirds. These should all be broken up into thirds. And I know it's hard to draw on your own, which is nice to have this. Okay, so if this is 3/3, we know that it will be more than 1, but if we made it into a fraction, it would be 4/3, right? 5/3, 6/3 would be 2. Okay, and we'll talk about that later, why that is 2, but we're just kind of counting by threes. We're counting by thirds. So 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3, right? So by the time you get to here, there are 9/3. So 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, right? 4/3, 5/3, 6/3. Well, it's not working. 6/3. 7/3, 8/3, 9/3. Okay. So think of it as skip counting. When you're on a number line, think of it as skip counting. We're just working with fractions. All right, so, oops. Oh, that was weird. We're back. We are trying to put these fractions onto this number line. So where do you think 7/3 would go? We know this is 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. I didn't label that one. Okay. Yes, this is where it would go, right? 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3 would go right here. I'm going to do a different color. 7/3. It is more than 2, but less than 3. Okay? But I just want you to worry about skip counting, and seeing fractions on a number line is just skip counting, just with smaller parts. Okay, then, so we've done that one. 4/3. Well, I know 3/3 is right here, so 4/3 would be right here. And then 2/3. I know that the reason 7/3 is up here is because that numerator is bigger, right? Is the biggest. 7, 4, and 2. This is the second biggest, and this is the smallest. So 2/3 is not going to be up here down here, right? And we know 3/3 is right there. 2/3 isn't even quite a whole yet, right? You have 2 out of the 3. So let's put 2/3 on here. 1/3, 2/3. Okay, awesome. Let's go back to here. Obviously, most of you don't have graph paper. Graph is on paper. Yeah, draw on your, see, I think you guys need some graph paper. Because here you see that it has the squares, like, so that you can really split it into thirds. I really want you guys, once I send this, I want you guys to try it out. The this is a free whiteboard. I think it'll really help when you're having to draw the umbrella. Okay, I'm going to say graph